how you can log in into your Telegram account in your mobile phone. Now, Telegram Messenger is one of the most commonly used messaging app. It's widely considered for its safety and privacy. So I'll teach you guys how you can log into it. But before that, if you are new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So let us just start. First, make sure that you've installed your Telegram, and after you've installed it, just open it up. Now this is the initial page. Just follow through, and all you need to do at first is type in your phone number. Now after you type in your phone number, you will be sometimes asked to verify your phone number, and they will send a verification code, and after you just type in that code, you will be able to log in into your Telegram account. Now you can also sign up if you don't have an account, and the process is very simple. All you need to do is just type in your number and check with the verification code, and just type in your basic details and you'll be done. It's that simple, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.